Have you ever woken up tired, even after sleeping for 8 hours? You drink coffee, you scroll your phone, you tell yourself, maybe I'm just lazy. But deep down, you know something feels off. Why does your body feel heavy before the day even begins? Why does your mind feel foggy when your dreams are so clear? And why does it feel like life is happening to you instead of through you? Because this isn't just physical exhaustion. This is modern exhaustion. And if you don't understand what's draining you, it will slowly steal your motivation, your focus, your confidence, and eventually your future. But here's the terrifying part. Most people don't even realize they're trapped until years have already disappeared. So today, we're going to uncover the real reasons you feel tired all the time, and more importantly, how to escape it before your life becomes one long cycle of surviving instead of living. Because your energy is your life force. And right now, something is leaking it. Stay with me until the end. Because the final lesson might completely change the way you see your exhaustion forever. Most people think tiredness comes from doing too much. But often it comes from doing too much of what doesn't matter. Think about your average day. You wake up and instantly check your phone. Your mind gets flooded with notifications, comparisons, bad news, distractions, and noise before your brain even has a chance to breathe. Then you rush through your day, half aware, constantly stimulated, constantly reacting, constantly consuming. And by night, you feel empty. Not because you climbed a mountain, but because your attention was stolen 1,000 times. Your brain today is like a browser with 100 tabs open. Even when nothing is loading anymore, the battery keeps draining. That's why you feel tired. Not because you're weak, but because your mind was never designed for endless stimulation. And here's the scary truth. If you don't control your attention, the world will happily control it for you. Every scroll costs energy. Every meaningless comparison costs confidence. Every hour spent escaping reality slowly disconnects you from yourself. Ask yourself honestly, when was the last time you sat in silence without needing entertainment? When was the last time you felt truly present? When was the last time your mind felt clear? Exactly. And this leads to the first lesson. Your energy goes where your attention flows. If your attention is scattered, your energy becomes scattered too. So start protecting your mind like it's sacred. Because it is. Try this for just 1 week. No phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. No endless scrolling before bed. Take short walks without music. Sit alone with your thoughts. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. Why? Because silence exposes what distraction hides. But on the other side of that discomfort is clarity, and clarity creates energy. Now let's talk about another hidden reason you're constantly tired. You are emotionally exhausted. Some people are physically tired, but many people are spiritually tired. They smile in public while silently carrying anxiety, pressure, self-doubt, heartbreak, fear of failure, and the weight of expectations. That kind of exhaustion doesn't disappear with sleep. Because rest is not the same as recovery. Let that sink in. You can sleep for 10 hours and still wake up exhausted if your soul never feels at peace. Think about how much energy it takes to pretend everything is okay, to suppress emotions, to overthink every mistake, to constantly fight battles inside your own head. It's like carrying invisible bricks every single day. Eventually, even standing becomes exhausting. And this is where many people break. Not loudly, silently. They stop dreaming, stop trying, stop believing life can feel different. But listen carefully. You're not meant to live in survival mode forever. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is heal. Not hustle harder, not punish yourself more. Heal. Because a wounded mind cannot create an energized life. So ask yourself, what's draining me emotionally right now? What pain have I been ignoring? What truth am I avoiding because it scares me? Those questions matter, because awareness is the beginning of transformation. And in a moment, I'll share the one habit silently destroying millions of people's energy every single day without them realizing it. But first, you need to understand something powerful. Your body listens to the way you speak to yourself. If you constantly say, "I'm always tired, I can't do this, I have no energy," your mind begins accepting exhaustion as your identity. Words become beliefs. Beliefs become habits. Habits become reality. So stop identifying with weakness. Instead say, "I'm rebuilding my energy. I'm becoming stronger. My mind and body are healing." It sounds simple, but your inner voice shapes your outer life more than you realize. And now the habit that secretly destroys energy more than almost anything else. Living without purpose. Yes, a meaningless routine creates a meaningless energy level. Have you noticed how people suddenly become energized when they're excited about something? Because purpose creates power. A person with a reason to wake up can endure almost anything. But when every day feels repetitive, empty, and disconnected from meaning, exhaustion grows. Your soul gets tired when your life lacks direction. That's why you must reconnect with something deeper. A mission, a dream, a goal worth suffering for. Because the moment your life gains meaning, your energy begins returning. You stop dragging yourself through the day and start moving with intention. So if you truly want to stop feeling tired all the time, remember this. Protect your attention. Heal your emotional exhaustion. Change the way you speak to yourself and reconnect with purpose. Because energy is not just physical. It's mental, emotional, spiritual. And once all three align, your entire life changes. Imagine waking up feeling clear, focused, driven. Imagine no longer feeling trapped in endless exhaustion. Imagine becoming the version of yourself you know still exists beneath the burnout. That version is still there, waiting, but nobody is coming to save you. You must decide that your life matters enough to change, starting today. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 7 days, protect your energy like your future depends on it. Because it does. And if you're serious about transforming your mindset and reclaiming your life, subscribe to Awakened Edge and join this journey with us. Also, don't leave yet. Watch the next video on your screen right now. Why your dreams die the moment you speak them. It will completely change the way you think about ambition, silence, and success. Trust me. That video is the missing piece most people never understand. I'll see you there.